Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the essentials. Check battery health and charge behavior because a failing cell often causes sudden shutdowns. Once done, inspect recent app installs and system updates. Rogue apps or incomplete updates can crash power management. Make sure to back up photos and contacts now, since later steps may reset settings. You'll act quickly. Toggle airplane mode briefly, then reboot into normal mode. Observe if the phone stays on for at least 10 minutes before proceeding. You should boot to safe mode to determine whether third-party apps cause the shutdowns. This disables non-essential apps and helps you see if the problem persists. Next, run any built-in diagnostics or battery tests to log temperature, voltage, and app wake usage over time. If safe mode looks stable, uninstall suspect apps and clear system cache, then update remaining apps and the OS. Once done, monitor for repeated shutdowns during normal use for several charging cycles. If software checks don't help, move to hardware. Inspect and clean the charging port, try a different certified cable and charger, and see if behavior changes. Replace the battery if health is under 80% or you see swelling. That often resolves random shutdowns. If you reach this point, perform a factory reset only after backing up, then test before restoring apps. If problems persist after replacement, seek a repair shop. One tip: record temperature and shutdown timestamps to aid diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.